Okay guys, so welcome to our new video. This will be our problem number 2. So the function now is the integral of x squared dx over x squared plus 16 raised to 3 halves. So in this case, kung mapansin natin, so hindi ka na pwede mag-substitution rule dito, di ba? Since if you get, let's say, let natin to, so hindi ka makakuha ng x squared dito sa function mo. So, we can use algebraic substitution. So, medyo yun yung topic natin last time. So, of course, in this case, pwede tayo mag-trigonometric substitution dito. So, by maximizing number 2, di ba? Yung trigonometric substitution number 2. So, which is, ito yun, di ba? Ayan. So, u squared plus a squared. So, u is equals to a tangent theta. Okay, yun ang gagamitin nating substitution. Okay? So, let's try. So, ulit, same lang. Identify natin yung u. U squared is 16. Then yung, x squared pala, x squared. And a squared is 16. So, it means yung u mo, if you get the square of both sides, so x yun, then a is 4. So, yun. So, we can use substitution. U is equals to a tangent theta. So, yung u, palitan natin ng x, tapos yung a ng 4, tangent theta. So, yun na. So, again, so, to get the dx, so, para ma-replace natin, so, we differentiate this one, ito. So, getting the derivative. So, derivative of x is dx. Derivative of 4 tangent theta is 4. Derivative of tangent is secant squared theta. Derivative of theta, d theta. So, yun. So, that's how we identify. So, next, we get a trigonometric identity. So, by using our triangle. So, drawing tayong triangle ulit. So, i-plot natin. So, this is your theta. So, using this one, so, pwedeng gawin nating, so, magiging tangent theta is equals to x over 4. So, ayan. So, yun yung ano natin. So, if you're going to place it here, so, your theta is, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So, this be your opposite, this your adjacent. And how about this one? So, using Pythagorean theorem, so, shortcut yun na lang. So, we can say that this is the square root of x squared plus 16. So, how do you get it, sir? Let's say, assume natin z yan. So, of course, z squared is equals to x squared plus 4 squared, which is 16. So, z square root of x squared plus 16. So, yun. Okay? So, next, we get the equivalent trigonometric function para dito. So, para ma-replace natin yun. So, ano papalit natin? So, we use secant, diba? So, secant kasi, diba? So, katoa, so, siakaw. So, siya. So, hypotenuse, which is ito, the square root of x squared plus 16. Siya, adjacent, which is 4. So, we can cross multiply 4 to the left. To the left. So, it becomes 4. Secant theta is equals to square root of x squared plus 16. So, yun na. So, ito yung replacement natin dito sa x squared plus 16. Square root of x squared plan. So, yun yung papalit natin itong 4 secant theta. Eh, sir, how about x squared? So, sa atin kukunin yun. Hindi, square mo lang to. So, if you're going to square this one, so, square both sides. So, x squared is equals to square nito. So, 16 tangent squared theta. So, yun yung papalit natin sa x squared. So, yun na. We can replace these replacements. Ito. So, integral of yung x squared, palitan mo ng 16 tangent squared theta. Then, yung dx mo, replace ng etong 4 secant squared theta d theta over. So, ito guys, diba? If you're, since 3 halves yan, so pwede rin kasing gawin yan, diba? So, square root of x squared plus 16 cube. Diba pwede yan? So, yung square root na to, ito na yun. 4 seconds. So 16 times 4, that's 64. So, tangent squared theta, secant squared theta, d theta over, so yung square root of x squared plus 16, palitan mo ng 4 secant theta. So, it becomes 4 secant theta cube. Then, if you're going to raise it to the third power, so 64 integral of, so labas niya constant, tangent squared theta, secant squared theta, d theta. What is 4 cube? 64. So, secant cube theta. So, cancel out na yun. Then, cancel isang secant. So, may makikita kang secant sa baba. So, our final function will be integral of tangent squared theta, d theta over secant theta. So, ayan. So, of course, this one, so medyo, we need to use identity para ma-integrate natin. So, by using trigonometric identity na 1 plus tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta. So, we can transpose 1 sa kabila. So, tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta minus 1. Then, pwede mo na ipalit yun dun. So, integral of secant squared theta minus 1 d theta over secant theta. And we can distribute now the d theta tsaka yung secant, diba? So, tsaka yung integral sign. So, it becomes distributing integral of secant squared theta d theta over secant theta minus integral of d theta over secant theta. So, kung mapansin natin, so, integrable na siya, di ba? So, pwede may cancel out yan. So, let's go to the next page na, guys. Ayan. So, matitira na lang is integral of, so, secant na lang, theta, d theta, minus integral of, so, ito, kung mapansin natin, so, using identity, di ba? So, secant theta, pag reciprocal natin, becomes cosine theta d theta. So, integrable na yan, di ba? Kasi integral of secant theta is ln of, ito, secant theta plus tangent theta minus, what is the integral of cosine? Sin theta plus c. Eh, sir, tapos na po ba yan? Hindi pa. Since we need to get the equivalent function ng secant tsaka sine. So, balik tayo dito. So, yung tangent mo, ito, x over 4, di ba? X over 4. While yung secant mo, saan mo kunin yung secant? Ito. Ito yung secant mo. So, take square root of x squared plus 16 over 4. How about sine? So, sine, opposite over hypotenuse lang yun. Okay. So, yun na. So, our final answer will be ln of, so, yung secant theta mo, secant theta is this one. Ayan, the square root of x squared plus 16 over 4 plus tangent theta, which is x over 4 minus, what is sine? Opposite over hypotenuse. So, opposite is x over the square root of x squared plus 16 plus c. And this will be our final answer. Okay, so, yan. So, di ba mas madali siya if you're going to use trigonometric substitution. So, ang ano yan, guys, ang important lang dyan, don't forget to replace back or palitan nyo yung trigonometric identity nung algebraic function natin. Okay, in terms of x, function of x. Okay, guys. So, in our next video, we'll solve or we're going to apply substitution rule number 3. Okay, guys. So, thank you.